पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदम् पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We are seeing the Saptanna Brahmana, and in this Saptanna Brahmana, which is the fifth section of the first chapter of the Madhu Kanda. So in this Saptanna Brahman, the whole world is divided into 7 kind of anna. And anna has a meaning here, which is enjoyed and which enjoys you. So in this portion, we had seen that the world is a bhogya of the bhokta called the Jiva, whose name whose put the name Pita here, because he created the 7 kind of annam. Okay, in that portion, 4 were the sadhan annani, and 3 were the sadhya annani. So 1 was the samanya annani, 2nd and 3rd was the deva anna, 4th was the pashu anna, and 5th, 6th, 7th was man, prana and vak. These 3 were the sadhya annani. Let us see now. So yesterday we heard about the mind. We saw that mind is the one which is different than the body, because mind is known. How mind is known? We say, I was seeing you, but my mind was somewhere else. Everybody knows his mind is traveling here and there. We are aware of the mind. Second thing, we are aware of the thoughts of the mind. And third thing, what was mentioned, if any part of my body is touched by some other part, we know that this is touching by the hand or by the knees. That means it has registered which part is where. These are the 3 things. Then something about 5 pranas were mentioned. Please note, this is called Adhyatmik. You heard. And from 4 to 10, the 3 annam are divided into Adhyatmik, Adidevik and Adibhautik. So we were seeing the Adhyatmik. Now we will see the Adibhautik. What is the Adhyatmik and what is the Adidevik? I had explained that yesterday. Try to get more clarity on this issue. देखो, Adibhautik means what is objective world which you perceive. Like this desk is Adibhautik, which is made out of bhut. Bhut means elements. Okay, this body is Adibhautik. This book is Adibhautik. Okay, yesterday also explained, but it is a very important matter. Try to get this point. Adi Bhautik means which is perceived by the senses easily. Like I see the earth, I see the sun, I feel the air. Air also I experience, it is hot air, cold air is there, right? Similarly, we feel heat. All these are Adi Bhautik. So to recognize Adi Bhautik word is very easy. And to know Adhyatmik is also easy. We know that there are thoughts in me. I have a certain thought. I have a thought of anger. I have a thought of bhakti. Now, where difficulties come is two areas. One area is that Adi Devik to understand is difficult. And second thing, difficult to understand is that Adhyatmik, Adi Bhautik and Adi Devik are expression of one only. There is where little thinking is required. So I will touch upon that topic now. Science accepts Adi Bhautik but not Adi Devik. They say this body is there. I don't accept Devata and all these things. I accept the sun for them is an external big mass of fire. Big conglomeration of fire which has gone through process is sun. I don't believe in your sun Devata, sun God. I believe in the external earth but not Prithvi Devata. Okay? I can believe in the moon but not Chandra Devata. This is what they have to say. And their whole attempt is the improvement in the Adi Bhautik area. Now what scripture and Vedanta has to say, please get this point. I had said it, I am repeating it. Adi Devik is not Indriya Gochar. The Adi Devik is not perceived by the senses. But it is there. Well, how do you know it is there? Simple logic is, if anything is held in a systematic manner, in an intelligent manner, there should be holder of that held thing. And that holder should not be Jada. It should be Chetan. Example I gave was of this body only. If this body is composed and held in a regulated manner, so there is one Jeev sitting inside, because of whose presence body is held. Okay? If this Jeev goes away, this body will decompose and all organs will fail. Similar is with the classroom, in the students are there. If they are held together, that means there should be teacher holding that. If the house is held together, there must be house, the head of the family must be holding that. So one principle, you are talking to me, you are seeing my body, but you are not seeing the Jeev in me. Jeev is not Indriya Gochar. Jeev is not Indriya Gochar. Forget about Jeev. Man is not Indriya Gochar. Mind itself is not known by the sense organs. Technically it is called Abhas Bhasya and Sakshi Bhasya. What is known by the senses is called Abhas Bhasya, and what is known by the Sakshi is known as the Sakshi Bhasya. Sakshi Bhasya. Vritti is known by the Sakshi, not by the senses. And therefore Vritti is called Sakshi Bhasya. Table chair is called Abhas Bhasya. Some technical words are there. So you have to agree that there is a Adi Devik Purush also. Same logic you apply everywhere. So there is a Adi Devik Sun also. There is that is called the Sun Devata. So that is Adi Devik. Prithvi Devata, Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, I am multiplying it because all are held. Rule of the fire is held, rule of Vayu is held, rule of earth is held, rule of water is held, rule of Ganga ji is held, Jamna ji is held, the Akash is held. Everything where something is held, there has to be conscious holder of that held thing, and that conscious holder is called the Devata of that. Now because of that Devata only, the Adibhut is functioning. Adibhut is an empty envelope. Unless it is, what is it called? It is at the touch of the Adidev, it won't function. So in Adibhut and Adidev, who is important? Adidev. But Adidev cannot express unless Adibhut is there. So both are important, but more important is Adidev. Similarly, Adhyatma is there. If anything is in a gross form, it should go through the process of thought form. If there is a sun, there must be sun thought before the sun in the Hiranyagarbha. If there is a earth, Mother Earth, so there should be Prithvi Vritti, and that Prithvi Vritti is called Dhriti. If Agni is there, external Agni Devata should be there in the thought form, and that power should be in the microcosm also. And therefore Vacho Devata Agni. No, the Devata of the speech is Agni also, Devata. The Devata of the hand is Indra. Devata of the feet is Vishnu. Devata of the nose is Ashwini Kumar, AK. अच्छा हाँ आवाज सुना है. Devata of the ear is Dig Devata. Because Devata is sitting, then only these powers are, they are holder of the power. Holder of power of seeing is called Surya Devata. So that is in Adibhut also now, and Adhidev also now, and Adhyatma also now. Dhyan dena. Our world is Adibhut oriented. We think Adibhautik world. We should improve the condition of the world. But the bigger powers are in Adhidev. Because if you can control Adhidev, then you can automatically control Adibhut. So big powers are there in Adhidev. Okay. And so much power is there that Draupadi got Akshay Patra. From whom? Huh? No. Who gave Akshay Patra? No. Lord's son, Surya Bhagavan. That Akshay Patra, until she ate, it will keep on. Don't think how is it. It is possible. So many things are there that it can create anything because that Devata is too big. Kunti got the mantra. Kunti served one Rishi came in her house. She was an unmarried girl. And that Rishi did not introduce himself. But she served day and night. Serving is the only way of making anybody happy. And that Rishi got very happy. At the end he introduced himself. He said, I am Durvasa. Because if he had introduced first, they would have been very careful. He said, I am very happy, I want to give you something. He said, I don't know what I should get. Then he could foresee that what is the future problem in her life. And she could see that husband won't be there. And therefore he gave the mantra for Surya Devata, Indra Devata, Vayu Devata, and from that mantra she tested, if you know the story. And she tested and Karna was born. Without the man, she conceived. Now, science will say, well, what is all this? Science is very unscientific certain time because they don't know that the power of Adidev is too strong. And therefore these sons of Pandava were very, very great, and Devputra they were there. Whether Bhim was there, Arjun was there, Yudhishthirji was there, he was Dharmputra. कहाँ से हो गया ये? So Adidev has tremendous power. And therefore in our culture, the upasana of Adidev was too much. And because of that upasana, great, great things happen. Only how it happens, don't ask. Some people are from Odisha here. If you know, you must be knowing that in Jagannath Puri, they make khichdi. No? What happens? On the top one, the pot is kept one over another. The toppest one cooks first. हम क्या क्या बताएं आपको भाई? The one on the top, the vessels are come one over another. Fire is at the bottom most. This should be cooked first. That cooks first. No air viman can go on the top of that. Shadow of the temple doesn't fall on the ground. Huh? That is also in one direction. How much breeze is there? Many times cyclone came and it turned there. The tsunami came in 2004. It didn't touch Rameshwaram. It came towards the temple place. It went away after that. This Adidev is very strong. And because of the upasana of Adidev, great, great people came in this country. Three things happened. Firstly, great, great people came. When I go to South Africa, I ask them, who is the great person in your country? So they have hardly one or two. And that to a political area. They will say, okay, Nelson Mandela is there. I said, tell about the spiritual person. Tell about the cultural person. Tell about the social person. They have no name. Where from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came? Where from Panini came? Where from Jayadev came? Where from Tulsidas came? Where from Ramanujacharya came? Where from Shankaracharya came? Where from Tyagarajan came? Where from Tukaram came? Where from Shankardev came of Assam? Where from the bravery of Guru Gobind Singh came? Big cause was Adidev Upasana. Second thing, Shastra came. Not that we have only one book. This is only one Upanishad you are reading and see the Bhashya. Therefore, I try to show you various points of the Bhashya so that we can develop more respect for what is there. This is only one small book. Only this is small? Yes. 10 Upanishads he commented. 108 Upanishads are in writing. And more than, I think 11,000 Upanishads, 1,000 Upanishads were there, out of which 108 are there. 18 Puranas are there. Mahabharata is there. 1 lakh shlokas are there. Valmiki Ramayana is there. Who wrote it? Do you think it is a human effort? Was it some human person who wrote it? If the Adidev was not blessing them, these things wouldn't have come up. Values came. High values came. Matra Deva Bhava, Pitra Deva Bhava. Janani sam janahi par nari. Where from it came? The big cause was Adidev was guiding them. And to please that Adidev, they use 4 or 5 things. First thing, they please by bhav. Second, by vani. Third, by kriya. Fourth, by dravya. Bhav, second, vani. Lot of stuti came. On Lord Krishna, thousands of stutis are there. On Lord Rama, thousands of stutis are there. Or told, Navagraha also stuti is there. Japa kusama sankasham, tamorim sarpapagnam, pranatosam divakram. Every stuti came. Kriya came, lot of ways of worshipping God came. Kriya. Dravya came, they used lot of dravya. कहाँ से आई है? Where from it came? Adidev. And they discovered that in our body also devatas are there. Therefore Karanyas came, Hridayanyas came, Anganyas came. If you have seen the priest, sometimes they will do like that. Nyas is there. They preserved it. And from that, Anugrah Shakti, Shrap Shakti all came. They say, it will be done, it will be done. Okay. North India, South India, East, West, everywhere. Somewhere Narsimha Mehta came, somewhere Guru Gobind Singh came, somewhere this came, somewhere still they are there. You see the writings what they have put. It is not any story. Where from Raman Maharshi came? हम लोग को तो पता नहीं है कुछ. So this is Adidev word. Adibhut we see, and I always say, Adibhut also we hardly see. The puja, the part, the chanting are the secret methods of tapping the infinite power. It's a power tapping device. Like electromagnetic wave is here. But unless you have an instrument, you can't tap that and use that. You can't use a hand for that catching of electromagnetic waves. Many other waves are there. Infrared is there, ultraviolet is there. We don't know various things. So when a person has done the Adidev Upasana, he has special powers of the divine, and from him very big works happen. America is 3 times bigger than India. 3 times bigger. More than that, at least 3 times. Population is 1/6, 300 million. Not a single tirth. Single tirth is not there. In India on the map, if you close your eyes and put your finger, then also you'll find some tirth there. Tirth is a power-loaded place where some saint has lived and God has taken avatar and invoked the Adidev. Yes, Shakti is too much, whether it is Vaishnavi Devi, whether it is Pandharpur here. Okay. All religions have hardly one tirth called Jerusalem. Jews also have there, Christians also have there, Muslims also. Therefore they fight. कहाँ से आया ये? Where from these things came? Where from Guru Bhakti came? No dharma had pranam system. Sashtang pranam to chodo. Sashtang pranam, touching the feet, is not in any religion. Japanese will at the most bow down like this, slightly, 90 degree. Tell me which has? Muslim will offer namaz only to the God, they will kneel down, not to human being. Imagine that. I went to in Cape Town, I went to one person, white person was there, 10 years back. He asked, I told also, no? He asked how to welcome. That person said, who was our mission person, I said, leave it. He doesn't know anything. He said, in our culture only we shake hand. In our religion, they found mudra has to do with the vritti. This mudra brings out vritti of humility. Mudra. Okay? Sitting mudra is good for studying. Every vritti has a mudra. Chin mudra they discovered. कहाँ से thought आई ये सब इनको? Where from this came? And therefore too much of puja, too much of part, too much of dravyas. बड़ा देवता है भाई कोई. Okay. Earlier the war was like today yantra is there. Earlier mantra yuddha was there. If you have seen Mahabharata, you would have seen the arrows shot with the mantra, and although they dramatize it too much, but the mantra yuddha was there. Brahmastra, Indrastra, Agniastra, Varunastra. Because the mind was very evolved and developed. Now we are going towards yantra. It was mantra. Mantra was very developed. Purity was too high in the person. He was full of rules and regulations. Mind was pure. Therefore mantra would be invoked very fast. Where from these saints came? Where from Andal came? Andal in South India. कहाँ से आया गया? How come Lord accepted her as a bride? Where from Mirabai came? What was their power? That was in Adideva. And therefore they were God-fearing. Because Adideva can punish also. This Kedarnath tragedy that happened 2013, I think. I don't know. But there is one Dhara Devi. Dhara Devi is straight looking at the Kedarnath like this. They shifted it. And when that happened, then big boulder came to protect the temple also. Whole Kedarnath wiped off. As it was 200 years back. That one boulder, nothing is accident. It's a part of Virat. Where from it came? Badrinath they went. The Buddhists has established there. They removed the Bhagwan's Vigraha and established their temple. In 600 AD, Shankaracharya Bhagwan came. He went into Alaknanda, brought the murti. That was Khandit. He went to another place, prayed. Dekho Shakti dekho unki. That was thrice he did. Same murti came. Then he said, okay, same murti will be installed. Today Khandit murti is there. Small murti. And when in April they open the temple, the lamp is lit, for your information. 6 months humans do puja, 6 months devatas do puja. To see that sight, door opening and the lamp is lit inside, in the simple diya, and flowers are there, lakhs of people come on that particular day. I think Akshaya Tritiya is there. Akshaya Tritiya. This was the cause. Adidev, Adibhut and Adhyatma. And they were very connected. Much emphasis was on you keep the Adhyatma proper. Don't think bad. Why? Devata will go away. Mahabharat, one story comes. Prahlad ji is there. He was a king. Indra came in a guise of a Brahmin. He said, give me your horse. He gave it. Take it. Will you give me the cows? He take it. Will you give me all the gold of the kingdom? He gave it. He may give me the whatever jewelries you are putting on. He gave it. Everything he gave it. At the end, Indra said, give me the shield. Shield. Your good manners, conduct. Prahlad ji said, wait, I know whom you are. If I give away this shield, all devatas will go away from me. And what I have given back to you, I will fight for it and take it back. If you want to take those things, better let it be with me. Only with that only I am giving you. Because I have shield. Therefore I am offering you what I am asking. If I didn't have good conduct and manners, I would have not said no to you also. So don't ask that, otherwise we will start fighting badly. So that devata which was outside is inside also. Adhyatma. So if Vak is inside, Vak should be outside. If Man is inside, Man should be outside. If Pran is inside, Pran should be outside also. Nothing which is in Pind and it is not in Brahmand, and what is in Brahmand is not in Pind. Okay. बहुत कुछ है. We take these things little lightly. This portion people take lightly. But for me, it's an important matter.